Ooh, we've got more Deeva customs joining the Familia. Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching the Dawn Deeva La Familia Facebook group customs for August. These released August 10th, but I'm really backed up on all my PR stuff, so I'm only getting to them now. To start off, we have Stiletto Ho. I love that name. This is a lavender jelly base with the Ultra Chameleon Chrome Flakies and a whole lot of shimmer going on in it. This is super pretty. I actually really love the flakies in this, and not a big lover of flakies to start with, so that's saying something. This applies very sheer. All jellies do. That's something that when I got my first jellies I didn't understand, and I didn't understand why I wasn't getting them opaque in 3 coats, because I usually don't have polishes. I can't get opaque in 3 coats. But I've come to learn that jellies just are not meant to be opaque in 3 coats. They usually take 4 to 5. Like, if you're working with a yellow jelly, it's gonna take tons of coats. So this, as you see, is very sheer on the first coat. On the second coat, I've got a little bit of buildup, but it's still not all the way there. And on the third coat, it still does not all the way cover my nail tips. My nail tips are very stained though, as a disclaimer. So I took it outside, and in sunlight I could see my nail tip. Under my bright studio lights I could see my nail tip. But around my house, I wasn't seeing the nail tip. And when I went to the grocery store, I wasn't seeing the nail tip. So I think with a 4th coat, this would probably be opaque. I just don't like to go 4 coats, so I never do. But you can see here when I'm talking about these flakies, they are so pretty and poppin' and unique. I love this polish. Next up, we have Nudie Judy. I like that name too. This is a soft peach color that leans kind of pink. It has a crap ton of shimmer in it, and also has the Ultra Chameleon Chrome Flakies. But I'm talking, holy cow, the shimmer in this is so bright and beautiful and like golden that it's almost like a beautiful rose gold, like in certain lighting. I really liked it. This one goes on in 2 coats. You can see it goes on very sheer at first, but it does build up on the second coat to be completely opaque. And you can already see that shimmer popping through. I gotta apologize for my sniffles. I just realized I've sniffled through this, but I've tried to record this like 6 times, and I'm sick right now, and it's just not happening without the sniffles, guys. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to bear with me until my voice becomes normal again, and I can talk like a human and not an alien. Here you can see though all that shimmer coming through, and the flakies in this just make it pop. And I feel like the stills pulled a little more pink than peach. See, I'm all messed up. But still, it is so pretty. These are both available now. As I said before, they released August 10th, and I have the link to buy them in the description box, as well as a link to my blog that has more photos and macros and a lot more details and everything, and all the info on joining the Facebook group. As usual though, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials, and Halloween is coming, and I will see you guys next time.